Guys, it's your boy Ishi. Today I'm doing a new video and it's outside. Wow. And what I'm gonna do for this video, it's cooking with Ishi part 3. Done. And I'm gonna make some applesauce today. So my tools right here. I have them right here. A hammer and a knife. Shouldn't be throwing this, but no, I'm your boy. It's Ishi. What do you expect? Okay, so first, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just do that. See this apple? A good apple. Yeah, it's a good apple. Okay, it's a good apple. It's actually really good. We're gonna cut it like this. Yeah, and see all that juice? That's a good sign. That means it's healthy. What? Let's just make some applesauce. Okay. Tired of you. You've been taking all my friends. You're the popular one now. So this is my revenge. I hate you. I hate you so much. You're not gonna escape. Murder, murder. Murder. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. You can't. You're gonna get off. Yeah. You better get off of my knife. My knife is the best. Oh no. Rampage. I hate you. Okay, I'm not gonna be mad anymore. I'm gonna keep smashing this apple. How did this even make it all the way over here? I was just recording over here and I made it all the way there. Sorry for all the noise. I don't know. I don't even. The heck? Look at all this water and juice. My hands are pretty sticky right now. It's really weird. Look at all this apple. Ooh. I think I committed a murder. Slowly. Oh no! I digged in the ground. Oh no. Bloody murder. Now what? I think this is gonna be the end. I've been going a little bit crazy. An apple flew over here. I think I think I went a little out of hand. I don't know what happened to me. This grass is green. I don't know what happened to me. I was just... This apple is dead. You cannot disagree. This apple is dead. Just kidding, guys. This was all a joke. This didn't even... no apples were harmed. See? No apples were harmed. There was no applesauce. No apples were harmed. See? It's the same... It's the same apple. It is not harmed. Yeah, it's not harmed, so bye-bye.